Welcome back to Get Fed by Prachi. Today we are making Black Forest cake. To a mixing bowl, add refined flour, fine sugar, cocoa powder and baking powder. Sift all the dry ingredients and give it a mix before adding the liquids. Whisk in 1 cup milk in 2 batches. At this point the batter will be hard to work with. Next add in condensed milk and any neutral tasting vegetable oil. Add vanilla extract followed by vinegar and baking soda. Drop the baking soda right on top of the vinegar for the cake to turn out fluffy and moist. Incorporate for 30 seconds and this is the dropping consistency that we need. I've dusted 2 9-inch baking trays with cocoa powder for easy removal of the cake once it's baked. Divide the cake batter equally in both baking trays and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for half an hour. While the cake bakes, let's work on other components. To prepare cherry syrup, boil sweetened cherries in sugar and water until water reduces to half. Then simply strain the water from the cherries and we'll be using the cherries for the cake filling. Alternatively, you could skip this step by using cherry brandy. While the cherry syrup cools down, whisk chilled whipping cream until stiff peaks are formed. Demold the cakes once cooled and cut off the tops to get a flat surface. I am making a 4-layer cake here, for which I am cutting both cakes in halves to get 4 slices. To assemble the cake, I am putting a dollop of whipped cream to ensure the cake doesn't slip. Place 1 layer of the cake and drizzle some cherry syrup, followed by the whipped cream and cherry chunks. Repeat this process for rest of the layers. Cover sides and top of the cake with the remaining whipped cream. Decorate the cake with chocolate shavings. Apply light pressure to stick chocolate shavings onto the sides and simply sprinkle some onto the top. Using a startup nozzle, I am piping the whipped cream. Top it up with cherries. Follow this exact recipe for a moist and delicious Black Forest cake. Do like, share and subscribe.